Unmasking the Shadows, Why Construction Workers, Delivery Drivers, and Couriers Become Perpetrators of Organized Stalking. Understanding organized stalking. Organized stalking is a serious issue that transcends mere harassment. It involves coordinated efforts by multiple individuals to engage in psychological, emotional, and physical harassment of a targeted individual. Victims of organized stalking often report being followed, surveilled, and subjected to a barrage of derogatory remarks, sometimes even including aggressive phrases like "die" or other profanities shouted or whispered from distances. The role of construction workers, delivery drivers, and couriers. One of the striking patterns in organized stalking is the involvement of particular occupational groups, such as construction workers, motorcycle delivery drivers, and couriers. These individuals often have high mobility and frequent interactions in public spaces, which provides them with unique opportunities to engage in stalking behaviors. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.